As now the Galaxy S22 series is official, Samsung have introduced their biggest upgrade yet. And it's not what you think in terms of the return of the Note in a different name now as the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Oh no. This is really going to bring the fight to Apple and especially put a massive question mark on Google and how they support their devices long term. I've not done this in a while, but in this Tech Talk video, we're going to really discuss the biggest upgrade yet Samsung have introduced now with the announcement of the Galaxy S22 series. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn the notifications so you don't miss any future videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Of all the things we knew of the Galaxy S22 series, from leaks and rumors, up until the teasers and the point that we got to with the announcement and the official embargo lifting on the Galaxy S22 series, which we had pre-hands-on with and covered it all, and we highly recommend you watch it. One of the biggest surprises was the announcement near the end of Unpacked, around 1 hour, 1 minute. Lo and behold, Samsung announced that they will be giving 4 generations of OS version upgrades for their devices. Yes, you did not hear that wrong. 4 generations, not 4 years. 4 generations, meaning 4 versions of the base in which Android is running. What does that exactly mean? Take the new Galaxy S22 series, for example. Out of the box, it does come with Android 12 with One UI 4, specifically 4.1, which we will be discovering and diving in to see what is new. As you know, we've been really covering One UI on the channel and we know you love it, and so do we. But what does that basically mean? It means 4 generations going all the way up to Android 16. One of the biggest things about using Android devices in any form from any OEM has been the long-term support. Wow, thinking about it, Samsung have come a long way from where they were before, where even their yesteryears of their old flagships really did not get the support that they deserved, and you pretty much had to wait for the next flagship to get the latest version of Android and hope and pray the previous ones that you purchased do get it. They've come a long way from what we've seen with the rollout of One UI 4 across the board, all the way down to even their mid-range devices. And to hear this really pushes closer to that desired 5 years of OS version software updates that we've been longing on Android. Samsung are really not messing about. They really want to make a statement piece and bring the fight to Apple. And we know this is one of the arguments or statements that people use to justify being on iOS, the long-term OS version support and the cry for Android to have that. Most people pretty much expect it to come from Google with their stock version or Pixel experience on their OS for their smartphones. But Google have only promised 3 years. And even with their move to Tensor for their custom system on a chip, they've still stuck to that. But it looks like Samsung really want to take it to another level. 4 years, 4 generations. The dream could be coming closer that we could get to that half a decade. But honestly, above all that we heard from the camera improvements on the S22, S22 Plus, all the refinements to nightography for the S21 Ultra, the integrated S Pen, the 5000 mAh battery, say what you want, but long-term support on these flagship devices that are not getting any cheaper is highly welcome. So yeah, quick one and direct. Let us know in the comment section below what you think, and are you as excited and actually as impressed as we are now Samsung are offering 4 generations of software updates? Yeah. What just came in right now? S22 Ultra, S22 Plus, enjoying these all the way up to Android 16, people.